Hi friends, today we are going to learn some basics of SketchUp. Use mouse wheel to scroll to zoom in and out. Hold scroll wheel and drag to orbit around object, as we can see here. Left click to select and deselect the object. Right click the object to view the properties of the object. Go to the panel tabs and right click and enable large layer toolset. Here we can see a list of tools we are going to use. Select the line tool and draw a line in X, Y and Z direction. The shortcut for this line command is L. Select the freehand tool to draw a face and sketch. It will create a face when it closes its paths. Next is a circle command, which creates a circle. We can create a circle of specified segment and its radius. The shortcut for this command is C, which means circle. Next is an inscribed circle or polygon. We can specify segments and radius. It creates a polygon of specified segments. In first case, it is 6. Here you can see 4 types of arcs, which adds its own specific uses. First is the arc command, which draws the arc of specified radius from a specified point. Second is a 2-point arc, which draws the arc of specified radius from its endpoints. 3-point arc, which is similar to 2-point arc, but has its control over its third point for its radius. Next one is pi arc, which closes its endpoints and creates a face. You can also use it to make a pi arc of specified radius. Next is a move tool, which selects an object and moves. We can move an object in X, Y and Z axis respective of its distance. Red, green and blue axis represents X, Y, Z direction respectively, as we can see here. X, Y and Z direction represents up, left and right arrow keys respectively in our keyboard. We can also specify distance along its axis. Next one is a press pull command, which select the face and extrude it. Shortcut for this press pull command is P. Just make this group. Next is a rotate command. Select the object and rotate it in particular axis. Next is a follow me tool. One of my favorite tool in SketchUp. Just create a path for demonstration. We just want to select the path, click follow me and select the respective face. It will extrude the face according to that path, as we can see here. Next is a scale command. Before using that tool, we just want to make it as a group. What does this scale command does is, it scales the object in X, Y and Z direction. Holding shift makes it proportional scaling of that object. We can also scale that object in a particular direction, as we have seen here. I am moving it in Z direction with respect to its object, particular object. Scaling the object heights according to its particular object, as we can see in the viewport. As we can see here, the both objects are of the same height. Next is the offset command. Before we are going to use that command, just create a rectangle. Select the rectangle, double click it and create offset of particular distance. We can make use of the press pull command for demonstration. Press pulling an object to decrease its size thickness. Selecting the respective segments and delete the face. We can use this command to create a wall. Next is a protected tool. We can discuss later. Next is the orbit tool. Shortcut for this tool is O. Next is a pan tool. Here is a pan tool which moves the viewport